Warning: you need to stay away from this oil, it releases dangerous chemicals. A recent study has found that cooking with these 3 oils, olive oil, coconut oil, or butter is much better and healthier than cooking with vegetable oil. The medical experts have found that when you use vegetable oil for cooking purposes, it releases some dangerous chemical compounds which are linked to cancer and other dangerous diseases. So these medical experts looked deeper inside this problem. So after few experiments and research projects, the medical experts have found that the vegetable oil releases high concentrations of O-faldohydes. These chemical compounds are linked to many different life-threatening diseases like cancer, heart diseases and dementia. One of the leaders of this medical study, Professor Martin Drutfeld, has mentioned that fried fish or chips which are fried in some kind of vegetable oil contains 200 times more toxic aldehydes than the safe daily limit. He also mentions that cooking with olive oil, butter or even lard produces much less aldehydes compared with vegetable oil. Coconut oil gives the best results because it produces the lowest levels of these dangerous chemicals. It doesn't matter which oil is better, you should avoid fried food by any cost. The famous neuroscience doctor at Oxford's University, Dr. Stein, claims that the human brain is changing as a result of corn or sunflower oils. He also mentioned that NHS avoided using butter or lard for cooking because they recommended that these vegetable oils are the best option. He also suggests and states that it is better to use butter to fry food instead of vegetable oil. But Professor Grotefeld from De Montfort University in Leicester disagrees. He claims that authorities have been warning us how bad these vegetable oils are. And many different studies have found that butter is much better option for cooking purposes. He also mentions that the vegetable oils undergo a very complex procedures of chemical reactions, which usually results in accumulation of dangerous chemicals in high amounts. This is why all nutritionists around the world warn about frying your food. So if you want to protect yourself and your health, you should stop eating fried and processed food. All packaged fried foods are cooked with vegetable oil. Actually, that's what they say on the labeling. Who knows how they are cooked? And if you buy fresh food, then you should boil it, bake it, but don't fry it. It will taste much better and it's much healthier compared to processed and fried food. As you can see, fried foods, especially in vegetable oil, can be really bad for you. So you should definitely avoid it and use different cooking methods instead. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.